if you want to write letter A, you're gonna write this one first, which becomes silent in the initial position. Then write a vowel A right next to the consonant, right? What about no? If you want to write no, then you will write this consonant, then the vowel. As you can see, consonant is on the left for vertical vowel. What about me? Me. It will be this combining with this. Me. Me. Okay, let's try to combine vowels and consonant. This time we're gonna start from the bottom. This consonant make M sound. So if you want to write ma, then you will write this consonant, then this. This is ma. If you want to write mo, it will be this. Mo. If you want to write mo, you will write consonant first, then the vowel. As you can see, for horizontal vowel, consonant is on the top. Okay, next, mu. Next, mu. Me. 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 Okay, please repeat after me. Ma, mo, mo, mu, mu, me, me, me. You might have a hard time distinguishing these two vowels. These two letters. Well, for this vowel, your lips has to be rounded. So it becomes mu, mu. And for this one, as mentioned before, your lips are open, but it's open in sideways. So it becomes m, m. Okay, let's do the middle row. This will be na, no, no, nu, ne, ni, ne, ne. Okay, then let's move on to the first row. A, o, 오, 우, 으, 이, 에, 에. Okay, this time, try to read out the letter that I circle. 우, 니, 너, 나, 노, 매, 매. Okay, let's practice a little bit more. This time, I'm going to write a letter and you guys try to read out the letter. This is 나무. 나무. 나무 means tree. 나무. 나무. This is 너무. 너무. 너무 means too much. This is 아마. 아마. 아마 means maybe. This is 미모. 미모. 미모 means good look. This is 네. 네. It means yes. Okay, that's it for this videos. Please practice reading and writing these vowels and the 3 consonants that I introduce as much as you can. See you next time.